5 seconds. Sir, I rise to say a few words on the demand for grant under the control of the Ministry of Industry. I thank you for the opportunity you have given me to speak on this occasion. In the first instance, I wish to point out that the new industrial policy has many merits. The most important of them has been referred to again and again by almost all the speakers. It is that there is an element of efficiency which is given top priority in this policy. If efficiency will increase as a result of this policy, then there is no doubt that our industrial sector will improve very much. When the policy is put into practice, I am sure that we will be able to get very good results from the point of view of national progress in the near future. So, I support the new policy to a great extent. Now, I would like to lay stress on another point. It will be good if the new policy, when implemented, gives more importance to agro-based industries as well as industries in the small scale sector. As honorable members are aware, there are very many young men who are unemployed and who would like to start industries. They are ready to enter the industrial field and do their best. It will be in the interest of the country if they are given proper encouragement in this regard. For example, I would like to tell the House about the position in our state. For the past many years, our state is considered a state where there is a high rate of literacy and there are a large number of educated persons. As a matter of fact, the young are ready to go to any field if they are given proper help. They will not only get employment but they will do their best for the economic development of the country. For this purpose, the facilities which are to be provided by the government and other agencies should improve. I think that this particular aspect must be given great importance. I very much like that the government should be ready to provide them more help. I would like to suggest that the government must encourage the young to start industries in the cooperative sector also. With this help, they may be able to cope with the problems that they may be facing in a better way. I do not propose to go into the details of the new industrial policy now. I am glad that the public sector undertakings will also be given encouragement if they are doing well. So far as this matter is concerned, I do not agree with many of my friends who say that this new policy tries to discourage the public sector units. It is not correct. I think that giving more autonomy to the public sector undertakings is a very good suggestion, and if it is put into practice, it will produce good results. Letter from Raja and Company, Mumbai, to Messrs. Gopu and Sons, Kurnool. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 3rd instant and we thank you for it. We are glad to know that you are interested in buying our goods and we are pleased to give you the necessary information. In the first place, we would like to inform you that we are dealers in various domestic appliances and many other articles. We deal in vessels of various kinds and many other items of goods which will be found in the list enclosed. Now, no doubt that the growth in our business is due to the patronage of our customers. This is due to the good quality of our goods and the low prices offered by us. We give a guarantee in the case of some items of goods. In addition to this, we give a discount in price in the case of bulk purchases. We also give from time to time some special gifts to our customers. We enclose a copy of our catalog and price list for your information. We shall be glad to receive your orders at an early date. Yours faithfully,